Got a quick video about a garage door opener. I'm doing some troubleshooting. Doesn't seem to be working right tonight. I'm just pushing the button here. Uh-oh. Doesn't sound good. Already got my ladder set up. I think I might try. I've got the back cover loosened. Motor seems to turn okay. It's a screwdriver type Genie. Uh-oh. Feels a little tight in there. That doesn't feel good. I'm gonna try it again. Uh-oh. Not sure how old this opener is. I think it turns really tight. It's actually pulling the garage door up, I guess. Release safety latch. Oh well. I'm not sure how old this opener is. Came at the house. I actually went out and bought a new opener. I didn't quite like that noisy thing. Anyway, so maybe it did bite the dust. This is a Genie, I believe 7550 belt drive with battery backup. It's like a pretty neat setup. Comes with this is the battery backup, 2 remotes, the outdoor and a keypad. Got it at Lowe's for, I think it was 168 bucks. It's like a pretty good deal. I'll get started with the install. Got everything unopened here. Looks like there's the motor head, got the belt. It's like the battery backup. And 2 openers. It's like it could maybe work as a key fob or a visor. Has the keypad, light cover, the railing. Looks like it's got some wiring. There's the panel or inside the garage. It's the emergency release. Got a metal bracket. Got some screws that came with it. Looks like some little plastic wire staples. Not a lot of hardware. I hope that's everything I need. All right, got the new opener installed. Actually, it wasn't too bad. I took my time. I think it was probably, probably spent 3 hours on it, I guess. I did it all by myself. Yeah, everything seems to work okay. This is the backup battery portion. I did put in new sensors over in the corner, just above the glue traps. This is the kind of the wall switch control. There's a light button. Just adds a little bit of light to the garage. It's a nice little glow when the lights are off. And it's pretty quiet. I used some spray lubricant for all the hinges, the extra roller wheels. It was a really noisy garage door I just kind of lived with for years. It seems pretty fast too. Out here, the closing speed. I think it is quicker than our older Genie opener. Open it back up. I got the remote with me. So it's, you know, a decent speed. When you come around the corner of our drive, I usually push the open button. It did come with this kind of outdoor mounted access panel. You can program in a code to open and close. Well, that's pretty neat. Came with 2 remotes. I do have I had a LiftMaster opener that worked for the NAP on our previous store, but I can't quite seem to get it to work with this new Genie opener. Must not be compatible, or yeah, really impressed. It's really quiet. It came with a couple pieces of the angled steel. I did have to cut those based on the ceiling height. Yeah, really impressed with the opener. I hope we get many good years of use.